All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. All right, so today in this video, what I'm gonna do for everyone is I'm gonna give y'all a fitting demonstration, and then we're going to do two audio sample tests. The first audio sample test is going to be a leakage test, and then the second audio sample test is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. Okay, and just so y'all know, we will be using my lapel clip-on microphone here to record all the audio. Okay, so y'all let me know what you think. But without further ado, let's get the video started here. So starting off here, I just want to give y'all a fitting demonstration and let y'all know how I have the Galaxy Buds Pro set up, okay? Now, in terms of the fit, all right, I have to let y'all know from the unboxing, which was like a week ago, the earbuds themselves actually came with two different size earbud tips on them. And I noticed that combination was making my ears a little bit uncomfortable, and it was cutting down on the overall sound quality and volume coming off of the buds themselves. Now, I picked these earbuds up in used, very good condition, and they only came with that one set of ear tips. So what did I do to fix this issue? I went ahead and installed my custom ear tips on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. All right, so I do have my custom large ear tips installed on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. That's how I was able to get the absolute best fit. Okay, and I will have close-ups of the buds thrown up in post for y'all to check out how I have the buds set up with my custom ear tips installed. Okay, but I just wanted to get that out the way up front. Now let me give y'all a few examples of the fit. So starting off here, we got a nice front profile. You can see I'm staring directly into the camera here. And you can see with a front profile, it's very discreet, but it's noticeable that I do have earbuds in my ears. So you can see the earbuds do peek out of my ears noticeably a good amount, okay? Okay, so people are definitely going to be able to tell that you have earbuds in your ears, okay, depending on the size of your ears and the tips that you go with. All right, and remember, it's always important that you take the time to go through the tips so you can find the absolute best fit, because that fit affects the overall sound quality, the volume, the bass, and the overall comfort level for the earbuds. So going through the included tips and finding the absolute best fit is one of the most important things you can do when you pick up earbuds. Okay, just want to throw that tip out there. Now let me give you the side profiles. So turning to my left, giving y'all a nice shot of the right earbud here. You can see just how good this looks or how bad it looks. It's up to you. Okay, so this is the right earbud right here. Boom. And then turning to my right, giving y'all a shot of the left earbud. Again, y'all can see how good or bad this looks. It's up to you. Boom. Okay. And again, if that was unclear, I'll throw up the necessary B-roll in post. So that goes over the fitting demonstration. Now let's go ahead and get into the sound samples, starting off with a leakage test. Now, just for reference, the microphone is less than a foot away from my mouth, okay? So if any leakage comes off the earbuds, the microphone should definitely be able to pick it up. Now, also, I do have the Galaxy Buds Pro connected up to my iPhone XS or XS. And I'll throw up the necessary B-roll of this. So let me open this up. Okay. And I do have copyright-free music pulled up. Again, I'll have all the necessary B-roll of this thrown up in post, so y'all know exactly what I'm doing. So we got the earbuds connected here. And now I got the copyright-free music pulled up. We're going to go ahead and max out the volume. So y'all can see the volume is maxed. Let me show you. Max volume right there. And now I'm going to go ahead and push play. And y'all let me know if there's any leakage coming off of the Galaxy Buds Pro at max volume. After I do this leakage test, I'm going to let y'all know how I feel about the overall sound quality, volume, and the bass of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Alright? And just for reference, I have it set to what it comes on out of the box. I have the Buds set to dynamic mode. Okay? So let's go ahead and push play now. Alright, here we go. Let me see. Really nice overall volume. I can't hear myself talk. It's really nice volume right here. Let's go. Nice and clear, nice and sharp. Let that bass hit. Woo! Okay, let it hit again. Okay, that should be good enough. Let me pause this. Okay, so my overall thoughts now on the sound quality, the volume, and the bass for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Now, talking about the overall sound quality, it is really, really good. It's very crystal clear and sharp on the low and the high ends of the volume spectrum. Talking about the volume on these is really good as well, okay? Easily, with the music playing, I can't hear any of my surroundings at all, so I can easily drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in what I'm doing with the earbuds. Now, talking about one of the most important parts, at least for me, because y'all know I'm a little bit of a bass head, unofficially. Talking about the bass, I have to tell y'all, I have to be straight up. The bass on these is not the best, okay? It sounds very, very soft, almost artificial to an extent. So I can definitely hear that the earbuds are trying, but it's just not delivering that punch, that grit, not at all, okay? So the overall bass for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro is just okay. It's not good. It's just okay. It's extremely soft and it's artificial. So it's like just okay. Meh. M-E-H. Meh. It's okay. I'm not feeling it. But the overall sound quality and volume on the Galaxy Buds Pro is really good. Okay? Yeah. Now, moving on, I'm going to attempt to give y'all a nice sound sample now, and then we're going to wrap up the video. Now, similar to all of the other Galaxy Buds, there is a sensor right there that detects when the earbuds go in and out of my ears, and it pauses the music. And try as I might, I can't disable that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna take both the earbuds out. Matter of fact, I'll do it right now. Take both the earbuds out. Okay, we'll rewind the track, start the music, and then hold up the earbuds to the microphone. Okay, so let's rewind the track. Okay, again, make sure the volume is maxed out, max volume. Push play. Okay, and now I'm gonna hold up the earbuds to the microphone. Here we go. Let me put the phone down, and here we go. And let me try not to drop these because these are slippery as well. Samsung, please, Samsung, please, y'all need to add grippy material to your products. Okay, so here is one, and here, almost dropped it, is two. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all about 40 seconds of an audio sample with the buds, and then we'll wrap the video up. Let's start now. All right, 10 more seconds. And that should do it. Okay, put them down. Let's pause the music. Okay, and that, guys and gals, should do it for this video. Let me put the earbuds back in and let y'all see the profiles one more time. So here's the right. Let's put this in. Spin it. Okay. And let's get the left. Let's put this in. Spin it. Okay. And once again, let me show you. So the right earbud and the left earbud. Boom. All right, guys and gals, that pretty much does it for this video. Once again, as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video and or you found it helpful. If you did indeed enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you'd like to see more content like this, please think about hitting that subscribe button down below. If you do, please make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos, okay? Also, all my continued coverage for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro will be linked up down below in the video description, along with all of the affiliated purchasing links, okay? So as the name implies, those affiliated links do mean I get a small percentage of kickback when you guys and gals use those affiliated links down below in the video description, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So essentially, it's a win-win for everyone, okay? So as always, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals if your interest is piqued, and you should be good to go. And I don't know if I said it, so I'm going to say it again. This whole video here today was recorded with the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 720p at 30 frames per second with external audio hooked up. So as always, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. And please let me know what you think of the overall performance of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro down below in the comments as well. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated, okay? Just remember to keep it respectful, please. All right, that being said, I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one, everybody. Have a good one. We are out of here. Peace. Boy, let me hurry up and cut these studio lights off, man. These studio lights bright as a mug, boy. I'm out here sweating, boy. Y'all have a good one, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. We out of here.